Hello guys, I want to show you my new LPS and my new nail polish. So let's begin. This is my new LPS and her name is Tweety, and Tweety comes with this biscuit. It's super cute. You see that? And her bed it's handmade, okay? Horrible. And I get this rabbit. Her name is Violet, and Violet came with this cute sticker. Yeah. And I got this duck. The duck came with this bag, and frog came with these sandals. And her name is Yellow, and her name is Green Light. No, Mew, no. And sorry, this is my cat. Yeah. So yeah. Sorry. I get this breakfast set. It's pretty cute. You see this? Don't look the price, okay? It's super cute. I really like this. Yeah. And I got this breakfast. Dinner set. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah. You see this? They have a basket, and I don't know what it is. I think it's sushi, but I don't know. I think it's bread. Yeah. I got this super cute hair and Hasbro made. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Like a stretch in my hair. Yeah, and I get this nail polish. It's glitter. Yeah, really cool. Oops. It's alright. And I got this. Wait, this is the inside of this bottle. I think it's for my LPS toys. Yeah, it's super cute. Okay, well guys, thank you for watching and have a nice day. And yeah, you want to see my cat? Wait, this is my cat. Her name is Mew. She's asleep. Okay, bye. Have a good time.